Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can create yourself an Upwork account. It's pretty simple. First you want to open up Upwork app. Once you open it, you can see the option at the bottom called sign up, which also says new to Upwork. So click on it and it's going to take you to Upwork's account creating page. Once you're over here, you can fill this entire form up and click on create my account if you want to do that. But I don't want to do that. I want to create my Upwork account using my Google. So I will click and continue with Google, but you can choose the Apple ID or you can fill the form up. Alright, it's up on you. So I will click and continue with Google and it's going to show me all of my Google accounts. So I will choose one of my Google account to use it to create Upwork account, but you can choose whichever account you want. Now once you do that, your Upwork account should be created using your Google. Now for those people who don't want to use Google, over here first you need to enter your first name and make sure you enter your legal name, because in the future to verify your Upwork account you need to upload your documents like a government document. So your name doesn't match with that, then it's not going to work. Alright, so make sure you enter your correct name and over here enter your correct email and then create a password for your account. After you create a password, make sure over here yes I understand and agree with Upwork terms and condition. You can tick mark both of this, but the upper one it doesn't matter if it is ticked or not. Click on create my account, enter account into this email and this password and this name will be created. That's how to create an Upwork account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.